Sending money to the USA from India for university fees. Here's how you can do it easily with GlobalPay, the trusted standard in global payments. Open the GlobalPay app. On the home screen, click on University Fee Payment. You'll now see the simple 4-step process. Step 1. Tap on University. Select the country, the United States of America. Select your university from the list and click Proceed. Step 2. Select the student. Fill in the required student details carefully. Now, choose your source of funds. If you're self-funding, select Own. Click Proceed. On the declaration screen, select Yes or No and continue. Step 3. You now reach the payment screen. Review the total amount and proceed to make the payment. Choose your preferred payment mode. Net banking/NEFT/UPI. Complete the payment. To proceed with the transaction, please ensure you have the university letter. Once submitted, you'll see the Order Success screen and your transaction has been successfully initiated. To track your order, return to the home screen, click on Orders, then go to My Orders. Select your transaction. Step 4. Open the Document tab and complete any pending uploads. Upload the signed documents. Proceed with Aadhaar e-sign for secure verification. Enjoy the seamless experience of Forex Card and app. Download the GlobalPay app from the Play Store and App Store.